This is gonna blow your mind or split the audience. I get loads of emails and direct messages and notifications where people say, we love your videos, we've just subscribed, we enjoy you, we learn so much. And then they go on to now tell me about a problem they're having. And it's not just via email, it can be via other outlets as well. And sometimes the emails are quite short, and sometimes they're quite lengthy, and sometimes they give me usernames and passwords, and they tell me to go and check this link, and how do I do X, Y, Z? And in the past, I would look at them. I would spend time studying them. Can I come up with a solution? Is there a video I've already done that I can share? Now, I don't really give much thought to it. If within the first couple of sentences, I don't understand exactly what you want, and I haven't got an existing video, and this is the bit that a lot of you are going to hate to hear right now, but I do think you should put this into practice as well, especially if you get requests from people that want free support. If I can't answer your question within the first 2 sentences, and please don't send sentences that are 1,000 characters, all right, because I'll see through that as well. If I can't answer it, I'm just going to let you know this, right? Oh, sorry, where am I pointing? I'm pointing over here. I'm going to tell you this. I'm basically letting you know that I do get inundated and I can't provide free support unless it's part of a one-to-one consultation. And you need to now go and book one of them. And I know a lot of people are going to hate that. When I say are going to hate that, they do hate that. But there's always a minority that understand and then will book me to go through the problem. That being said, I won't even really look at the problem. Even after you're booked, I'll wait until the consultation starts because it's my time. Now, by doing this, I'm protecting my time. And what I want you to do is that if you find that you produce content or you have a Facebook group or you have a blog or whatever, and people are commenting, that's okay to reply. But the minute they start asking you to do more, you have to slightly draw a line. Now, it might be that you've put out a solution and a tweak is needed to explain it better or to reassure someone that it's safe or okay to use. Or maybe they're a bit confused. You've said do X, Y, Z, and they're stumbling a bit. You could just explain it better. That's okay. That's on you. But if you've done something or you've advised something or someone has seen you do a video on something and now they want you to create something completely different or related, and it's going to take you half an hour to an hour or even more to fully comprehend exactly how you're going to do it, you might do it, they might benefit from it, or their client might benefit from it. Someone's going to make some income or something out of it. Someone's going to be very, very happy. What do you get out of it? Other than the fact that you got a thumbs up. Well, you know what? Thumbs up don't pay the mortgage at the end of the day. So a lot of people are not going to like this, but don't be surprised if you contact me and I then push you over to my booking link page thing to go and book a consultation. If I can help you, I will, because I love to create solutions. I love to problem solve. But I have to see a benefit in it for me as well. Look, I'm Imran Web Squadron. I'm just being totally frank and honest. By the way, my name's not Frank, but I'm being totally brutally honest here. And if you are one of those people where you're forever helping, giving out advice, unless you've got another side hustle income stream coming in, where you've got the time in the world to do that, rein it in a bit, okay? Because time is precious. Take care. See you soon. Bye.